Today, we will continue solving the issue of installing the display driver by adding a virtual display. Opening Silent Install Builder 6, I had to switch systems because the driver doesn't work correctly on a virtual machine, so I moved to a real computer. If I find a way to run it on a virtual machine, I'll write in the description how to do it. I will open an existing package called displayDriver. You can create a new package by watching the previous video where I showed how I created this package. The display driver has been updated. This is one of the nuances. I will open the zip archive with the driver. I didn't change the archive name so that old scripts would continue to work with it. Instead, I simply replaced the files inside the archive with the new ones. The driver itself now has a different name, so if you have the old driver, update its name in the scripts according to your driver. Let's add a new script. First, we will create a script to remove the display device since the driver cannot be removed while it is in use. I will open the previously created scripts, copy the necessary one, and use the DevCon utility. The utility and scripts will be in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will specify the directory with the utility. Now, the device removal script needs to be moved to the very top. Let's add a new script to create a device for the driver. I will not use the first part of the script since I have a new version of the driver and it does not require this script. This script adds a certificate. Don't forget to change the name if you're using an older version of the driver. In my case, I copy it as is. I will specify the directory with the utility. I will change the package version since the driver has been updated. Now I need to configure the uninstall process. I have prepared a script in advance to remove the display device. It is the same as the one at the beginning. Now we are building the package. You can subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Let's check how the driver installation goes. Go to the display settings. As you can see, everything works. See you next time.